Exponentials and logarithms. We'll be taking a look at Euler's constant and natural logarithm. Euler's number, E, is also called Napier's constant. It is a numerical constant that is very often used in math calculations and in finance. Just like pi, which is an irrational number beginning with 3.142 and extending far beyond, Euler's number is also an irrational number that begins with 2.7182 and goes beyond. E is primarily used to represent non-linear increase of a function, such as growth of money. Natural logarithm, ln, is the opposite of E. If E represents growth, ln represents decay. Let's take a look at how we may have to work with certain functions requiring E and ln. For example, if you would like to take the exponential of 5%, you would first have to key in the number and then apply the E function. Let's begin with typing in the number 5, pressing the percent sign, and you should be able to see 0.05 on your display screen. Notice E is written in yellow lettering, which requires us to press the yellow function, the second button, and then E. You should be able to see 1.05127 on your screen. Let's do a little bit more complex exponential calculation. Let's just say you would like to take the exponential of 5% times 2. Once again, you begin with the numbers. So go ahead and key 5, press the percent sign, press the multiplication sign, and then type 2. Remember to hit the equal to sign. Then you'd press the second button and you'd press E. You'd be able to see 1.10517 on your screen. Let's now take a look at how to do natural logarithm examples. You would like to take the ln of 1.05127. You would once again have to begin with the number. So key in the numbers 1.05127 and then just press the ln button that is to your left. Notice you'd be able to get 0.049999, which is actually the same result that we had entered when we were originally working with the exponential. If you recall, we had taken the exponential of 5% and we had obtained 1.05127, and when we used that to apply the ln, we went back to 5%, save for the rounding. Let's take a look at a little bit more complex natural logarithm example, such as you may want to multiply 2 into 5 and then take the natural logarithm. So first key in the numbers. 2, multiply 5, press the equal to button, and then press ln. You'd get the answer of 2.30258.